everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita here, and today in this video I'm going to talk about something which is really personal, and I'm going to put out that in a public platform. So obviously I'm kind of nervous, and that is the main reason why today I didn't kept any makeup. I thought it's very essential to come up with the original face, because this is something which is about Ishita, which is not about the YouTuber Ishita. It's about something, if you have a friend Ishita, or if you consider me as your sister or as your friend, then only do listen to this. Else I don't see any point in listening to somebody's personal thing. If you do not consider me as your friend or sister, then I guess you don't have to do, or you don't have to listen to all these things. Okay, so coming to the point, many people were asking me that what exactly happened to me, and why I'm not regular with my videos, and why I do not upload on my previous schedules, and what exactly the thing that happened. So as by seeing my face, you can guess that I'm not kind of normal how I was before 1 or 2 months. So the thing is that you can see the dark circles, my swelled up face, and little bit of rashes here and there. So the thing is that first in the month of Feb, when I kept the last life update video, there I told that I'm gonna get operated here in my teeth. Actually this part got infected. Why? We didn't know that time. So thereafter, many people, those who have seen my makeup videos for last 3-4 months, they know that I do have something here in my eye, which I do not project out that often, because the thing is that it doesn't look that good. So that's why I felt like I should not project it out. But if you have seen me regularly for over past 5-6 months, then you obviously know that I was having something sort of eye stay or something on my eye as well. So what we planned that we gonna do the surgery, whatever is required for the teeth, for both my teeth, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get another surgery for my this eye stay. So what exactly happened, we have done that, and then this pain was still not going, which we have done I guess in February 2nd week, but still the pain was not at all going. Again we got treatment for the eye stay as well, but it was not properly going how the doctors were expecting it to go. Then we got another treatments and regular checkups and all those things. Then by the end of Feb, what we concluded, or what the doctors concluded, is that I do have severe sinusitis issues, and that is the main reason why I'm getting all these things here and there. Actually everything was originated from this sinus. Why? Because I got infected here, and because the sinus was there for almost 1 year, and I was not completely treated for that, and that thing turned out to be an infection. So all the reasons here and there were some or the other way getting infected. I'm really sorry if you are hearing that noise, because I'm hearing that. I don't know how much my camera is capturing that, but still I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so that was the main reason that why everything after getting operated also was not curing up completely. Hence tomorrow again, I guess, like today is Monday, I'm gonna put out this video on Monday, and tomorrow means Tuesday, I'm going to get, I guess today is 6 and tomorrow gonna be 7 again, and I'm going to get operated here in this individual region, and they gonna admit me, they means my parents gonna admit me in Apollo, Chennai, and tomorrow I'm going to get admitted, and then they're gonna discharge me on Wednesday. And hence, so you can understand, I guess, that I was not doing that well, because what exactly happened when I started getting treatment for my sinus, we didn't thought that we have to go for surgery. What we exactly thought, we gonna take some antibiotics and some normal medicines. Those are prescribed by the doctors, and then we gonna get out of this. But the thing is that what exactly happened to me, after taking the medicines, what we discovered, I'm allergic to those medicines. So as a result, I couldn't continue with my medicines, and what exactly happened when I started taking the medicine, I started getting complete rashes on my whole body, how prickly hits comes, kind of that. And then my whole face was swollen, my complete body was almost red, and then complete body was filled up with rashes, and then I was having severe body pain and fever. So obviously I do not feel like coming out in this platform and where I have huge amount of rashes on my face, because obviously people are there, and it's not about worrying about how you look, it's about you make people sad when you come up in this way. And I know the day I'm talking about this, the people, those who love me, those who consider me as their friend or sister, they're gonna feel bad for me. And it's not a way to gather sympathy, but the thing is that obviously if I have a friend, I will go and say them what exactly happened to me, why I'm not talking to them, why and they can't see me anymore. So that is how I am feeling right now, and that is the main reason why I am here today. It's not about gathering sympathy or those sort of things. I know my haters gonna say that, so it doesn't matters. The thing is that, you know what, there are many people, those who commented throughout the span of one whole month, because I guess on 7th or 8th of last month I got my last surgery, and after that, I guess in the span of 1 month, I got various different comments writing that, you know what, oh, you run away, you are not that strong as a human, you saw competition in market, you saw other YouTubers growing, you just left this place, and you are saying you are just sick because we have not seen you in that way. So that is the main reason why today I didn't kept any makeup. And 1 minute, I'll show you something. This is my medical report, this is my CT scan report, and you're gonna not understand until and unless I show you what exactly happened to me. So I guess you can see this individual one, and here you can see, I guess, that one part is completely filled and another one is empty. This individual place, I guess, if you can see. So this is exactly what happened. I guess this one is much more clear. This one is filled and this one is empty. So this one is filled and this one is empty. This maxillary sinus is completely filled, and that is why I am getting infected here and there, because this place is infected and I need to take antibiotics, which I am not able to take because I am allergic to those drugs. And by the end of the day, there's no other way I can cure of this without going for surgery, and it's really severe right now. And it's the operation is not gonna be that severe. Only critical part of this surgery is gonna be that I'm allergic to many different medicines. So when they gonna inject me with some medicines, they have to be really careful that what I'm going to react after taking that medicine, because what we saw in the last 20 days is that I'm allergic to not only few medicines, I'm allergic to many different medicines. So that is a doctor's part, I don't have to do anything. So tomorrow I'm going to get admitted, and by 8th means Wednesday I'm gonna come back, and after that I guess it will take 3-4 days, and then I'm going to film again. So this is something that I felt that yes, I should come here and talk to you, because you all are very, very close to me. And I thought the last month I was going for surgery, I thought yes, I'm doing it on Fab, though I was having pain, but I was not at all interested. Obviously you're gonna be nervous if somebody talk to you about any surgery, but that time I thought that yes, I'm going to recover, because yeah, my birthday is coming on March and I don't want this and that on March, but fate. But still I'm doing all this thing right now. The doctor told that actually from today I do have my exams, my midterms are going, but still I'm not writing, just to get rid of all these things, because obviously every evening having fever is something which is not at all normal. Every evening if you are getting fever, then you know what exactly happens to you. So this is something that's happening to me over last 20 or 25 days. So I just want to get rid of everything before my birthday, which is on 30th. So yeah, I do have another giveaway which is running till I guess 10th of March, the Supreme Herbal Kit, the daily care kit. It's amazing, amazing. I just loved it, and you just get it for 1,800, which is like really nice kit. The kit is completely based upon whatever you require on a day-to-day basis, so you should definitely try out that, because the giveaway is running till 10th, and after 10th I'm gonna have a very special giveaway, which I don't want to say in this condition, which is, I guess, one of the giveaways till the date, which is very close to me, because that's gonna be for my birthday. So that is going to start up by, I guess, 11th. So follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, because I don't know when I can come back and film this video again, or like that second giveaway again. So the giveaway will be up there by 11th of March. Yes, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.